Good morning, students. Now, HS first year science mathematics we are doing, and limit derivatives, that chapter we have started, that we will continue. So derivative we will do. We have started exercise 13.2, and we have finished up to question number 5. So let's start question number 6. Question number 6 of this exercise 13.5 is 13.2. You see, this one is find the derivative of x to the power n plus ax to the power n minus 1 plus a square x to the power n minus 2 plus dot 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 plus a to the power n minus 1 x plus a to the power n for some real number a. So we have to differentiate that. So what they have said, to find d dx of x to the power n plus a x to the power n minus 1 plus a square x to the power n minus 2 plus a to the power n minus 1 x plus a to the power n. So we have to differentiate that one. How to do this one? So derivative of this term or this polynomial we have to find. So if we withdraw this bracket, this d dx will go to each individual term. So see, d dx x to the power n, d dx ax to the power n minus 1, d dx a square x to the power n minus 2 plus d dx a to the power n minus 1 x d dx a to the power n. So what I have done, I have taken d dx in each term. It is by rule. This is one formula is there, n x to the power n minus 1. Here a is constant, it will come out, and it will be dx to the power n minus 1 with respect to x. Here also a square will come out, and we have to differentiate only this one plus dot 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 a to the power n minus 1 will come out dx. It is a purely constant, so its differentiation is 0. So students, what we have done, all the constant we have taken from this derivative. Okay, then our values will be n x to the power n minus 1. Here differentiation of this term will be n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 minus 1, that is n minus 2. Here if we differentiate that one, a square n minus 2 x to the power n minus 3, because that formula again we have used. And finally the differentiation of x with respect to this is that. So students, we left with this term, and this is the differentiation of that terms, that polynomial. এখানে আমরা শুধু ডেরিভেটিভ ভেঙে ডেরিভেটিভটাকে ডিডিএক্সটাকে প্রত্যেকটার কাছে নিয়ে এসেছি। কনস্ট্যান্ট টার্ম থাকলে এটা বাইরে যায়, এই এটা। তারপর একটা ফর্মুলা যেটা হচ্ছে ডি এক্স টু দি পাওয়ার এন উইথ রেসপেক্ট টু এক্স, দ্যাট ফর্মুলা ইজ এন এক্স টু দি পাওয়ার এন মাইনাস 1, এই ফর্মুলাটা ইউজ হয়েছে। So that is your answer of question number 6. So let's do the next one. So next question number 7, they have said to do that 7(1). It is x minus a, x minus b. They have asked to differentiate. They have asked to find the derivative of this term. Students, you remember that First principle we will use when they will ask. Otherwise, we will use our own, that is normal derivative. So here we know one formula that we have already discussed, that u into b, its differentiation is b du dx plus u dv dx. If we consider u is x minus a and b is x minus b, then we can write x minus b, then d dx of x minus a. See here, I have used b into du, it is u or what? It is b. So b I have kept and differentiated, that u1. Then we have to keep u here, and you have to differentiate x minus b only using that Leibniz product rule, and yes, we have done. Now x minus b, we will take d dx in each term. So of course it's dx and it is dA with respect to x. Here again x minus a, and here also we have to write like that. So this is our thing, that this we can break like that, that also breaken. Now x minus b, differentiation of x with respect to x, it is 1, and this is the constant, it is 0. X minus a, this is also 1 minus 0. Now if you withdraw this bracket, x minus b plus x minus a, ultimately we get twice x minus a minus b. এখানে আমরা এটাকে ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করব x minus a into x minus b. ফার্স্ট প্রিন্সিপলের কথা ভুলে যাও। এখন দেখো u into b কি হয়, v du dx plus u dv dx। এটাকে যদি u, এটাকে যদি v ধরো, তো v রেখে দিলাম, এটাকে ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করলাম। এবার এটাকে রেখে ওইটাকে ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করলাম। এই ব্র্যাকেট থাকলে পরে d dx টা প্রত্যেকটা টার্মে x এর সাথে যাবে, তারপর এর সাথে যাবে, x এর সাথে যাবে, b এর সাথে যাবে। dx by dx 1 হয়, কনস্ট্যান্টের ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন সব সময় 0। একই জিনিস এখানেও লাগলো, ব্র্যাকেট তুলে আমাদের आंसर এসে গেল। Now students, that is second one and third one I want to give as homework. So 7, your homework is 7, 2 and 3 that you have to do. If you face problem, you just go on asking. So how to do? Just you break this one and then you can get the answer. Okay, then next question number 8. It is find the differentiation of x to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a. So 7, 2, I want to give little hint. 7, 2, they say to differentiate that one, d dx. So ax plus b whole thing square, ax square I think. Then you break x plus y whole thing square formula. So if you break this square, that is a square x to the power 4 twice a into b, so twice ab x square plus b square. You have to differentiate that. And 7, 3, little clue I have to give, that is d dx of x minus a by x minus b. Next we continue this one, x minus x by. Here e by b form, so what to do? V square, v you keep differentiate x minus a minus, keep x minus a, differentiate x minus b. So this is your answer. Then you have to do the remaining part of it. So this is the clue for homework. Now we are going to do this one. This is already given in one formula like that, that if it is xn to the power this one, then then you can write the answer is nx to the power a minus 1. So I have to say that one, that what is the value of this theorem. Theorem is given that it is said, I have also written that thing in the board, so I don't know where it is. Okay, let's say I'm not finding this one. So how to do this one? It is differentiation of this. It is u by v form. You justice. You think this is u, this is v. Then formula is what? V square, that is x minus a whole thing square. Keep x minus a, differentiate x to the power n minus a to the power n minus. Keep this one and differentiate only x minus a. Then x minus a whole thing square. If we differentiate that one, this will be n x to the power n minus 1 and a to 0. So it is, we can write, or you can better skip, you know this one. Then x to the power n minus a to the power n. If we differentiate x, it is 1 and this is to 0. Now if we break this bracket, it will be n x to the power n minus n a x to the power n minus 1 minus x to the power n plus a to the power n. You can take this one x to the power n common and keep, or we can keep it like that. So this is the answer of that one. Students, you know it is u by v form, so that's why you can do. Now question number 9. Question number 9, it is, they say find the derivative of d dx twice x minus 3 by 4. So if we want to differentiate that one, it will be d dx twice x. You differentiate first and then you have to differentiate d dx of 3 by 4. Here as usual 2 will come outside, dx it is the constant, it will be 0. dx by dx is 1, so 2 only. এটা সিম্পল, এ ধরনের অঙ্ক আগেও আমরা করে নিয়েছি. So I think you can do this type of sum. So students, now question number 2. d dx of 5x cubed plus 3x minus 1 into x minus 1. So product of this one. So automatically these are two terms. So how to do? You keep x minus 1 outside, differentiate 5x cubed plus thrice x minus 1. 5x cubed plus thrice x minus 1 d dx x minus 1. Now see how to do. If we take d dx of this term, then it will be x minus 1. 5x cubed, 5 is constant, it will come out. X cubed, if you differentiate, 3x square. Then 3 you keep outside. Differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of 1 is 0. So this is the differentiation of that term. Plus 5x cubed plus thrice x minus 1. If we differentiate x, it is the 1 only and 1 to 0. Now we want to break this one, or you can keep like that. 15x square plus 3 and there 5x cubed plus thrice x minus 1. So you can break or you can keep like that. So student, I think no need to explain in other language. You should habituated with the English language, and I expect as medium is English. Hindi is not our medium. Bengali is also not medium. But for understanding, we can explain, but don't make it mandatory. Gradually, you try to speak in English, try to understand in English. ইটস কনসিকুয়েন্স ইউ উইল গেট লেটার। ভালো করে বাংলায় বলছি, কলেজটা কিন্তু বাংলা মিডিয়াম স্কুল কলেজ না, এখানে ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম দেওয়া আছে, লেখাই আছে, হিন্দি কিন্তু ওখানে মিডিয়াম না। বোঝানোর জন্য কিছু টিচার হয়তো তোমাদেরকে বুঝান, কিন্তু আমি এক্সপেক্ট করি তোমরা ইংলিশে বোঝার চেষ্টাও করবে, বলতেও চেষ্টা করবে। আদারওয়াইজ ইউ ক্যান নট বি ফ্লুয়েন্ট ইন ইংলিশ ইন ফিউচার। সো দ্যাট মাচ ফর টুডে।